Welcome to our totally radical 80s time travel adventure. Welcome back to 1986. Here you will find all of our cutting-edge technology from the 1980s, which you will need to use along with your knowledge of all that was rad in the 80s to get yourself back to present day. You only have 45 minutes before you are stuck in the past forever. Lock setup. Set the 3-digit lock to 753, the 4-digit lock to 6928, the directional multi-lock to up, down, down, left, right, and the ABC multi-lock to LIGHT. Make sure you print all of the resources in the resource folder. Inside the large Breakout EDU box, you will put one copy of the We Broke Out sign for each of the groups. Attach the hasp to the box, and then add the ABC multi-lock, the directional multi-lock, the 4-digit lock, and the key lock. Inside the small box, place the Tetris piece with the QR code and 2 of the journal entries. Then attach the 3-digit lock to the small box. The rest of the resources may be placed around the room or hidden, depending on how difficult you want to make it for your students. Game overview. Prepare the 3-digit clue using the UV pen. Write Roman numerals on each of the discs. On the Oregon Trail disc, write 6. On Print Shop 3, Math Blaster 7, Reader Rabbit 5, and Number Munchers 2. When the students shine the UV flashlight, they will see these numbers. And when they read the clue, it will mention Math Blaster, Reader Rabbit, and Print Shop. And they will only need the numbers on those 3 discs in that order. 753 is the combination. The clue for the key lock is the articles that talk about the Atari ET video game. When the students read the articles, read the headlines, it should send them over to the trash can, where they should find the key, either under or taped to the side of the trash can. The journal entries are the clue for the directional multi-lock. When students read the journal entries, they should see 2 things: locations, Independence Rock, Scotts Bluff, St. Mary's Station, Fort Kearny, Fort Hall, and a direction: down, down, west, up, and east. The students will then locate each of these places on the Oregon Trail map, noting that they began at Fort Kearny and they ended up at Fort Hall. When the journal entries are then put in the order traveled on the map, it will give them the direction for the directional multi-lock: up, down, down, left, right. The clue for the ABC multi-lock is the Mabus-Viken typing lesson. When students read the lesson, they should notice that it talks about not using the home row keys, that it's okay to hunt and peck, and touch typing is not encouraged. When they look at the keyboard, they should also notice that the letters are mixed up. They should realize that when they type the missing word from the lesson, which is jumps, Jumps, and compare that to a traditional keyboard, the letters that they would type are LIGHT, which is the combination to the ABC multi-lock. The Tetris pieces are the clue for the 4-digit lock. The students will need to find all 11 pieces. When they scan the QR code on the square piece with the 1 on it, they will be taken to this web page that says Help Mario to climb the stairs using care to divide each pair. Remember the quotients as you go, put them together for the combo. If they look at the image, they will notice that the placement of 4 of the pieces is given, and then they need to use the rest of the pieces to create the staircase. When they create the staircase, they should notice the pairs that go up the stairs: 36 and 6, 45 and 5, 4 and 2, and 24 and 3. And when they divide those and remember the quotients, they will get the combination of 6, 9, 2, 8. And whether your students broke out or didn't break out, we hope you've enjoyed playing our totally radical 80s time travel adventure.